in one-day cricket or in test matches. They know he's a strong player in that area.
Shuffling across, he'll pick up a run. I don't know whether it'll be given as a run. No, leg by signal.
Well, Ramesh, interesting selections made by both India and Pakistan. Almost like as if suggests that Centurion Park doesn't like off-spinners in international matches. India have dropped Harbhajan Singh, which to me is quite mystifying. And Pakistan have left out Saqlain Mushtaq. India have two important batsmen, left-handers, Saurav Ganguly and Yuvraj Singh. I thought Saqlain Mushtaq would have easily made the Pakistan team. Tawfiq Umar, the left-hander, now on strike.
Lovely delivery. And that channel of that off stump. Zaheer Khan has been in very good form in this competition.
Well, Akram was walking till he saw umpire Shepherd.
Lucky break for Wasim Akram and also for Pakistan. Pakistan requires some quick runs from Wasim Akram, clearly overstepping. Perfect delivery in the depth of the innings.
Fine over. He finished. Well, just 5 balls remaining. That's well played. Cheeky shot. Another couple of runs for Rashid Latif.
Because the outfield has been very slow throughout the game.
Don't forget, it rained pretty heavily here yesterday. Loves the onside.
Rashid is pushing hard. Very well ran 2 runs.
That's well played, powerfully struck, beats the man at deep point. Just 1 ball remaining, so the final ball of the Pakistan innings. And again, beautifully placed. And this is a terrific finish for Pakistan. Consecutive boundaries will take them to 273. And that is a score they'll settle for after winning the toss and deciding to bat first.
And especially after they lost 3 quick wickets in the later part of the innings.
In the air, taken. Waqar Younis getting the ball pitched up. Sehwag going on the drive, hitting it uppishly, Afridi making no mistake. And Pakistan draw first blood.
Because of clever piece of captaincy, I think that fielder was beautifully placed by Waqar Younis. Virender Sehwag very much in mold of Sachin Tendulkar, and like him, just a little casual at times in that area. Spot on, Shahid Afridi taking a neat catch. And
now 3 slips in place. Pakistan on the attack. Wrapped on the pads. That is close. Easy picked up. That was always going to be out. Caught on the crease. A double break here for Pakistan. And they're right back in it.
Fantastic piece of bowling from Waqar Younis. Now he had positioned an extra slipper. 3 slips in place. I think sort of
The bat.
Once again getting into the act. He's done well for his team.
Wide is called by umpire David Shepherd. Yeah, Tafiq's done a pretty good job. Obviously, given the gloves after Rashid Latif was slightly concussed. He's been busy behind there. But I think he's been fairly impressive. There might be a bit of a future for him in the one-days. Rahul Dravid, we saw, is now kept in 42 games for India, which is quite remarkable. I just seen the other day when he donned the gloves. Tafiq doing a fine job behind the sticks.
When he caught Abdul Razak, that was a fine cast. That ball was travelling.
Slower ball that time. The last time these two teams played, just in case you weren't with us a little bit earlier, was the 3rd of June, the year 2000, when Pakistan won on that occasion, beating India by 44 runs in the Asia Cup at Dhaka in Bangladesh. It looks like India are going to steam home today.
Just at that point, Waqar Yunus was able to bring the Pakistani team back into the game. That's a beautiful stroke. Only 4 runs required now to win this game. And he's only 1 run away from his 50, Yuvraj Singh. He has played beautifully.
He has indeed, and that takes him to 49, goes past Inzamam ul-Haq, who I must say didn't give too much of an effort to stop that in the covers. And he's obviously not too aware that they've got to prolong this win as long as possible to help that net run rate. If there's going to be any major difference. 4 needed, just 1 shot needed now for India. 49, Yuvraj Singh is on.
And he has only consumed 52 deliveries to get there. Yuvraj Singh. Excellent strike rate.
Still looking pretty tense in the dugout. They'll be leaping to their feet very soon, that's for sure. This is such a big game, such an important victory, this one for India. Maintaining that proud record in the World Cup. And of course, helping their chances enormously of this World Cup. That'll be called a wide. A bit of tiredness now creeping in to Waqar Yunus, and also maybe Rudy Kutsin. He's done a bit of exercise today, Rudy.
Well, they have used their arms quite a lot, these umpires. So many boundaries they've been hit in this game. 28 4s and 3 6s.
Both these very experienced umpires have had a very, very good game. Rudy Kutsin and David Shepherd. There's the 50. Single to bring up his 50. Yuvraj Singh can be very, very proud of this knock.
And the smile suggested that. This partnership was very important for these Indians. Having lost Sachin Tendulkar, the Pakistani thought they are back into the game, but this effort has taken the game away from the Pakistan team.
Two more required now. Rahul Dravid on strike. He's on 40. The partnership's worth 95. Short ball. Has he put it away? Yes, he has. That's it. India have done it. A boundary to finish things. The crowd here at Supersport Park, Centurion, are going absolutely berserk. What a terrific performance by India. Rahul Dravid, a very sensible knock from him. Saurav Ganguly is getting all the accolades off the field. And interaction from the players. Pakistanis, big smiles and shaking the hands of Rahul Dravid and Yuvraj Singh. The end of what has been a classic encounter. It's been a terrific game of cricket, and India win by 6 wickets.
Tremendous stuff from the Indian batsmen. Never easy to chase 273 runs, and they have done it in just 46 overs. Plenty of boundaries. Sachin Tendulkar was the leader. He was the hero of the game. Took the attack to the Pakistani bowlers and took the game away. And in the end, it was an easy job for Yuvraj Singh and Dravid. And they featured in a partnership of 99 runs of just over 100 deliveries.
Disappointment, of course, for Pakistan. I'll have an opportunity to have a bit of a chat today. What an amazing day for Sachin Tendulkar. Got to his 50 in very smart time today, did Sachin. 50. Came up in 37 balls and just 75 balls for that 98. Outstanding. He started off brilliantly. That was a great shot through the covers off Wazir Akram. Stroke, backward a square on the leg side, just whipped it around, and then a drive through mid-on. It was just about a forward defensive shot, raced away for a boundary. Then another little whip backward a square for a boundary. On the front foot this time, through extra cover. Akram couldn't step.
Back foot drive from Sachin Tendulkar. It wasn't the end. He kept on going. Kept on picking up the gaps.
And straight drives as well. There's always value for runs. He was scoring runs all over the place, and the Pakistani bowlers basically did not know where to bowl to him. It was a wonderful exhibition of stroke play. So Pakistan on the losing end today. India have now won in
98 in 75 balls. Set it up for India. He receives a gold watch, which is donated by the gold mining industry of South Africa.
Celebrating Ashes.
Good diving save. Sachin Tendulkar is in action very early in the game. He'll get runs, Tawfiq, at least a single. Ashish Nehra is very quickly across the ground.
Oh, there could be a run out here. Good throw, and he's gone. The finger goes up. And yet again, we see Inzamamul Haq being run out. He would be devastated. The Indians are ecstatic. So are the supporters. Good commitment. He's done a fairly good job.
And you wait for that sort of delivery. Well fielded.
That's a very good stop. That ball was travelling.
On the ground. Quality stroke. Quality stroke. Great effort, but it's gone for 4.
Has had his timber disturbed. That is a huge wicket. That's the first one down. And the Indian supporters and the players obviously are ecstatic.
Well, for the first time, these Indians, they are back into this game. Zaheer Khan, how well he has responded.
Looking at this Indian batting lineup, they can be absolutely phenomenal and explosive. Bowling, clean him up. Lovely yorker from Ashish Nehra. Indians were looking for a breakthrough, and they've got it in the 40th over. And the Indian flags are out.
That's wrapped on the pads. That is close. Easy picked up. That was always going to be out. Caught on the crease. A double break here for Pakistan. And they're right back in it.
Fantastic piece of bowling from Waqar Younis.
Yes! Bowled him out. Inside edge, I think. But the breakthrough Pakistan needed now. Can they capitalise on that? Waqar Younis calling the men in. As Mohammad Kaif makes his way to the pavilion. They just outside it, got the inside edge and dragged it back onto his stumps.